joy that he's got me all in a blur. Fast-paced life, I'm just trying to occur. Everybody's chasing clout, running for the lights, but when it comes to real change, they take off on flights. From the politicians spewing empty words to the influencers selling products that are absurd. It's a game of perception, playing with our minds, but when it comes to truth, they're hard to find. Yeah, society's blurred, can't see it clear. We're all caught up in the race of fear. But let's break free and make our voices heard. Spit the truth, defy the absurd.